Hello dear students, in this video we will take up another important topic which is known as the whole process of mitosis. Mitosis word is made up of two types of things, mitose plus oesis. Mitose means the thread-like structures, for example spindle fibers, and oesis means the state. The whole name is known as mitosis. Mitosis means thread-like stays or thread-like state. Clear? This mitosis process first of all discovered by in plant cell. There is a scientist whose name was Strasberg. Strasberg discovered. Secondly, Fleming discovered this mitosis process in animal cell. And the term mitosis first of all given by the Fleming. Clear? Why mitosis process is known as equational division? Question is that arise. Mitosis process is known as equational division because whenever cell division will takes place in this process, whenever cell divide into two types of daughter cells have got also the 46 number of chromosomes. Those are present in the parent cell also. So that's why cell have same number of kind of chromosomes. That's why it is known as equational division. Now, stages of the mitosis process. There are two types of stages are present in mitosis process. First is known as karyokinesis process. Second is known as cytokinesis process. In karyokinesis process means division of nucleus. In cytokinesis process means division of cytoplasm. Karyokinesis process have got four types of subphases. They are known as prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Clear? So we will start from the karyokinesis process, or we will start first phase which is known as prophase. Clear? Here we have the prophase. Before we start the prophase, we should have knowledge interphase. Interphase is the previous condition of the prophase. प्रोफेज से पहले की जो कंडीशन है वो इंटरफेस कहलाती है. इन दिस इंटरफेस देयर इज अ पर्टिकुलर सेल विच फर्दर गोइंग फॉर द डिवीजन, जो आगे क्या है डिवीजन के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है या डिवीजन के लिए अंडरगो द डिवीजन के लिए जा रही है. इन दिस इंटरफेस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द आउटर कवर ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस इट डिजनरेटेड. क्लियर? वो धीरे धीरे क्या होता है कमजोर होने लगता है. दीज आर द न्यूक्लियर पोर्स आर आल्सो प्रेजेंट देयर. देयर इज अ सेंट्रियोल इज प्रेजेंट हियर. सेंट्रियोल ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट इन द एनिमल सेल. तो हम एनिमल सेल के डिवीजन की बात कर रहे हैं. क्लियर? And after that there are the chromatin fibers are also present there. Clear? This condition is related to the interphase. After that in prophase these all types of spindle fibers they will condense. Clear? And these types of centriole they settle down into the both polar types of areas. These types of changes takes place in the prophase. Look here. This is known as prophase. Prophase also divide into two types of categories, earlier prophase and the late prophase. In earlier prophase, the centriole they migrate into the opposite polar areas and the chromatin fibers are condensed and convert into the chromosomes. Further, in late prophase, these all types of chromatin fibers they are develop into the chromosome and the centrioles are also settle into the polar areas. Apart from that, the spindle fibers are also arise. Clear? Spindle fibers are also present there and some ester rays are also present here. These ester rays and the centriole, whenever they both combine together, then they make the ester, and these spindle fibers they will start from the one centriole to the another centriole. This whole thing takes place into the prophase. In next video we will take up another important topic which is known as metaphase.